Welcome to Mandap Technolab. So today, till now, we discussed about the uses of libraries. The header files and the uses of predefined functions like printf, scanf. Then we covered different steps to complete a program, or to write a program, or to develop a program. Post that, we also completed different types of data types available in the C. So today we'll discuss about control statement in C. Okay, control statement in C. So control statement. C language. Okay. Control statement in C language. As part of control statement, we'll discuss if statement, then nested if, then the switch. Okay. So if, then nested if, nested if, then after switch. Switch. Okay. So now, so let's discuss about if. So what is if? So in general, the if is used with a condition like if this condition is true, okay, true, then perform or execute the statement. Execute the statement. Okay. The statement can be single statement or it can be multiple statements. Okay. So this is for the single statement. If I have multiple statements, let's say this is scenario 1, scenario 2. If this condition is true, okay, is true, then I execute the statement 1 and statement 2. Execute state 1, state 2, and so on. Execute the state n. So we can have the multiple statements, but the difference here is if I have a single statement, then the braces, the curly braces, right? This one and this one is optional, but if you have multiple statements, then it's mandatory to enclose within the curly braces because the execution of this statement will depend on the condition which is available inside the if statement. Okay. If this is true, then only perform these many tasks, these many statements, execute these many statements. Otherwise, do nothing. Okay. Next. Then, example. Let's say, let's say, yeah, if x equals to y, then printf print both x and y are 7. Okay, this is for the normal if, the first if, this one. Then nested if. Nested if means we'll have if with else if form. Before that, just uh, yeah, let me write a program using this normal if. Okay, so let's say sorry. So us include stdio.h, then void main. I already discussed like what is the use of this us include, what is the use of the main function and all. If you are not sure about that, just go and watch the previous videos, so you'll definitely clear on those sections. Okay, then I am declaring one variable, let's say num, then after clr scr. Okay, then printf, printf enter a number, enter a number greater than 5, let's say greater than 5. Then scanf, I'll take the input from the keyword scanf %d percent of num. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll check if num is greater than 5, then what I'll do, printf, printf the number %d is greater than 5. So I'll have the num here and get ch, okay, let's see the end of the main function. Okay, so it's clear now, I believe, right? So as part of this, let me draw a flow diagram for this if statement. Okay, for this above program, let me draw a data flow diagram. Okay, data flow diagram. Data flow diagram. Okay, so I believe you guys are aware, right? The symbols we discussed previously. First one will be start. Then after, I am taking an input for the variable now. So this will be kind of input box. Okay. So now with some values, let's say I have provided the 7. Okay. So once I have the now, then what it will do? I am checking in the code. You see, I am taking one input first. That is now. In the third step, what I am doing, I am checking if num is greater than 5, then only I am printing. Otherwise, I am not doing anything, right? So here, what I will do is num equals to 7. Then I will check is num is greater than 5. Okay. If it is true, then what I will do, I am printing that. If it is yes, what I will do, message box print now, right? I am printing the now. What are the message with? You will see the message, right? So I'm going to print this one greater than 5. What are the message up there? Then I'm printing that message. Then after, what I'll do, I'm just post print. There's nothing to do. I'll directly move to the stuff one. So stuff one is anchor stop. Okay. If it is wrong, I'm not doing anything. Directly come to the no section. Okay. So this is my flow diagram for what? For my normal if statement. The first if statement. Okay. Now let's discuss about the nested if. Nested if. Right. So see, post this, we'll move to the editor and we'll write what are the programs I have wrote here, right? We'll see those programs whether that is working fine or not. So till that, let me discuss that is nested if, or we can say if with multiple statements we can write a program. Let's say if with multiple statements, multiple statements. So sorry. Okay, so as I told, okay, if let me write the previous program itself, like as include stdio.h void main, okay, int now plr is here, and now and result result, okay, then enter. I'm taking the input, enter a number, enter the number, that's it. Now what I'm doing, scanf percentage d ampersand of now. What are the numbers I'm getting? I'm just storing that in now. What are the inputs I'm getting? Okay. Post that. What I'll do, if num is greater than 5, then what I'll do, as I told, if we have multiple statements, then that needs to be enclosed within the parenthesis. So if num is greater than 5, then what I'll do, result equals to num into 5. Okay, num into 5. Fine. Print num into 5. Then the result equals to result plus 10. Fine. So what I'm doing, I'm just multiplying with the 5. Then after the result will be there. With that I'm adding the value 10. Then what I'm doing, I'm printing the result. So let me assign the value with some 0, because if in else section I'm not doing anything, right? That's right. So now what I'll do, I'll just print the result after the operation complete. Operation complete is percentage d result. Then get ch. So writing becomes very hard now. Okay. Get ch and of the main function, right? So what I am doing here, if with multiple statements need to be executed. If this condition is true, okay, what are the number I have given that is greater than 5, then only I will perform these many, I will execute these many statements. Then I'm printing the result whatever I am getting post these operations. Fine. So this is all about the, okay, this is all about the if with multiple statements. Then nested if. Okay. Nested if or if within if. Fine. So let's say, so I have a variable, let's I have int I equals to 2. Then what I am doing, okay, what I am doing, or any value, okay, if I equals to 1, then some message, okay, let's say printf you are a good boy, you are good, you are good. Else what I will do, else again I will check if I equals to 2, printf nice boy, okay, else printf bad boy, okay, end of the else, right? So so here if you see what I am doing, if this condition is satisfied, then it will print this, you are a good, you are good, okay, you are good. Else, I mean, if I is not equals to 1, that could be 0, that could be 2, that could be 3, that could be 5, anything apart from 1, okay. So once I'm coming to the else part, means the I is not 1, then I'm checking again, if I equals to 2, then nice boy, otherwise apart from 2, what will be the output, I mean bad boy. That means if I'm coming to this section and this condition is again not true, that means I will use neither 1 nor 2, apart from 1 and 2. In that case, it will print the bad boy. Fine. This is the nested if. Okay, nested if or if within if or if else section we have another if. Next, we have a switch statement. Switch. So before to switch, let me draw a data flow diagram for this. Okay, data flow diagram. Data flow diagram. Fine. So Here what will have, as I told already, start. Then I'll take an input, that is I. So there will be one input box. I with, let's say, some value 3. Right? I'm assuming that is having the value 3. Then what I will do, I'll check the condition. Okay, I'll check the condition. If I equals to 1, okay, if I equals to 1, then if yes, what it will do, directly it will print the message. What was the message? You are good. You are good. Okay. If no, I mean this is not a valid case. If no, that case what we will do? Again we'll check if I equals to 2 to the moral. If I equals to 2, if then what we'll do? If yes, we'll print one message. What was that? That is, believe, yeah, nice boy. That is nice boy. Nice boy. If no, if no, what we'll do? It will print another message, that is bad boy. Bad boy. Right? Bad boy. So then nothing to do, we can directly stop here. So everyone will come into this. Right? Everyone will move to this one. Perfect. So as per my code, what I'm doing here, I'm taking input, then I'm checking if it is 1, print you are good. If it is not 1, apart from 1, then what I'm doing, I'm just checking with 2 if it is to the nice boy, otherwise bad boy. Right? So here if you see, I am given with the I with 3, then I'm checking I equals to 1, no, then checking if I equals 2, that's also not true, then print bad boy, then the program will terminate. Right? So till now we cover that normal if with single statement, if with multiple statement, then nested if, and both the programs. I mean the data flow diagram of both the things. Now let me jump into the ID. I'm using that Turbo ID actually, Turbo C++. So let me write the code whatever I have written here. So just for showing you like what are the things I have discussed that's going to work perfectly. So let me clear out this. So I believe first the program was the normal. What was that program? Let me check once again. So here the first program was okay. The number I'm taking, then I'm printing this one. Fine. Okay, fine. So 99, then printf. Let me clear out these things. Okay. Here printf enter a number. Okay, then scanf. Guys, we already discussed what is the use of printf and scanf, right? So there should not be any single doubt on those area. Then ampersand of now if if now is greater than 5. So I told you already, single statement, no need to have the curly braces. That's optional. Okay. Then the given number is percentile d now. Okay, fine. So let me run this one. Before that, compile. Okay, compile is successful. Then execute this one. Let's say I have given that 6. The given number is 6. Okay. Or let me, I'm just running that one, but with the 2, which is less than 5. So no output because I'm not doing anything if it is less than 5, right? Or equal to 5. I'm only interested in case of if number is greater than 5, not even less, not even equal. Fine. This is for the single statement. Likewise, if I have the multiple statements, let's say multiple statement, I'm just using that same code actually. I believe you don't have any issue on that. Okay. So if it is said, then what I will do, I will assign the num into 5. If it is greater than 5, then what other value I am getting, I'll multiply with 5, then I'm reassigning that to the num variable. Okay. So let me run this one. Why are there missing the semicolon? Sorry. Okay. Executing, compiling, then executing. I'm giving the 6. So the value is, the given number is 13 because I multiplied 6 with 5, then I reassign to the number. So let me try with the number which is equal to 5. Okay, so no output. Fine, because I'm only interested in greater than 5 number. This is all about your if with, I mean, single statement, if with multiple statement, then I'm moving to the nested if. Okay, so if number is greater than 5, what I will do, I'm performing this many tasks, right? This many tasks only perform if number is greater than 5. But if number is equals to 5, equals to 5, what I'm doing, I'm just adding num equals to 1 plus 5. Okay, I'm just adding the 5 here. And then let me change the message. The multiplied, the result after multiplied with 5, the result after multiplied number is this. Okay, likewise. The result after addition. Addition number is this. Else now equals to so sorry, num minus 5. I have a little bit health issues today, so please excuse me on those. So fine. So sequence out get the result after minus minus operation. Okay. So now no error, no warning. I'm giving 10. So the result after multiplied number is 5. Okay. So what I'm doing here, if you see that 10 is greater than 5, that's what I do. Num equals to num. What is the value of num? 10 now. 10 into 5, 50. 50 is assigned to num. Okay. Now what I'm giving, let me try with some number which is equal to 5. Okay, if it is 5 equals to 5, then the addition with 5 it becomes 10. If you see here, addition, then I'll give you some number which is less than 5. Okay, less than 5. That means that number will be subtract with by 5. So F9, let me give it the 4, that becomes minus 1. Correct? I will leave if you are clear on that, because this is executing this part. This is the section executed by the, that means the number is not greater than 5, not even equals to 5. That means what will be the number? The number is less than 5. Less than means what it will do? It will subtract 5 from the given number. Okay. So I believe this program is clear to you. Okay. So I'm not moving to switch because the video will be quite uh, big actually, the lengthy. So let me stop here. So in the next class, the next session, I will come up with the switch one. Okay. So till that, till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.